Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a product that I think everyone should really have in their house. It's Surebonder all-purpose mini glue sticks. I think everyone should have a hot glue gun in the house because if you live like I live, it seems like everything is always breaking at one point or another. No, I'm kidding. I just always I feel like I always end up dropping something if it's glass or like something will break, and this is just a really great way to, fix things really quickly, and it's been a lifesaver for me many times. Tonight, for example, my husband and I were carving pumpkins. It's October, it's Halloween time. He was carving out a pumpkin and we made a cat pattern and the tail accidentally came off, so it was okay, let me grab the hot glue gun and I could fix it that way. It just really works great, and of course it heats up and it heats up quick, so it's really easy to use. The hot glue gun I have is actually not Surebonder, it's Craft Smart, but these fit pretty perfectly, I would think, in basically any hot glue gun. And they're great for art projects, arts and crafts with the kids, scrapbooking, stuff like that. These are nice and soft, they're a good size. So Surebonder all-purpose stick mini glue sticks are for everyday gluing projects, for use with glue, dual, or high temperature glue guns. I'm not exactly sure what mine is, but if I had a guess, I would just guess it's just a low one. For all temperature, low temperature, dual, or high temperature. Comes with 25 mini glue sticks. They are 4 inches by 0.27 inches, or 101 milliliter by 6.8 milliliters. Let's see what the back says. For best bonding results, use high or dual temperature high setting glue guns on metal, wood, fabric, magnets, and plastic. Use low or dual temperature low setting glue guns for bonding delicate materials including balloons, lace, and children's crafts. For your other project needs, try Surebonder's Best Stick, Fabric Stick, Jewelry Stick, Wood Stick, Glitter Stick, and Color Stick. Caution: do not touch heated nozzle or metal glue. Temperature can reach 400 degrees Fahrenheit. If hot glue contact occurs, do not remove glue. Plunge affected area into cold water. Always wear protective clothing. Safety glasses, gloves, long sleeve shirt, long pants. Customer is responsible for, it says, what does it say, testing this product for intended use. Copyright is 2006, FPC Corporation, Wakanda, Illinois, and the website is www.surebonder.com for more information. So as you could see in my glue gun, of course they have the glue stick already in there, and basically there's not even an on and off button with this one. I don't know if most of them have an on and off button, but it heats up rather quickly. I would say under 10 minutes, just really easy. And then the way to load it is, and this is with basically all hot glue guns, or at least the 10 I've had in my life, they're all the same. It just fits right in the back. You just give it a little push, and once the hot glue gun is heated up, the product will come right out. And I fixed a magnet before. I had a magnet that fell off my fridge, and they had to hot glue it back together. It worked really well for that. And yeah, everyday gluing projects, I mentioned fabric before. I think a handle came off my purse maybe a couple months ago, and I had to hot glue it back on, and I think it works better personally than, well, of course it's a different glue, but I think personally it works better than Crazy Glue or Gorilla Glue, stuff like that. I've had better luck with the hot glue gun. So guys, this is Surebonder all-purpose mini glue sticks for hot glue guns for everyday gluing projects. I hope you found the video useful, and I hope you guys try it out for yourself and like it. Thanks for watching.